In today's video, I'm going to teach you merge two photos in one with Leonardo AI. By the end, you'll know how to place two images on a single canvas and blend the seam so it looks like one cohesive picture. We'll walk through uploading, arranging, masking, prompting, and generating with practical tips to help you get clean, seamless results. Start by opening the Leonardo AI platform and choosing AI Canvas from the left-hand menu. This workspace is designed for compositing and editing with AI assistance. When the canvas loads, check the canvas size and aspect ratio so it matches your vision, whether that's a landscape header, a square post, or a portrait layout. A canvas that roughly matches your target output helps minimize unwanted cropping or stretching later on. Next, click the Upload Image button and add the two photos you want to merge. Higher resolution files generally blend more cleanly, and images with similar lighting or color temperature are easier to combine naturally. If you're mixing very different sources, don't worry, the AI can still help bridge the gap, but you'll want to be extra thoughtful with the mask and prompt in the next steps. Use the transform tools to scale, move, and position the photos on the canvas. Think about how the images relate. Align horizons, match perspective lines, and let one image overlap the other slightly where you intend to blend. Keep an eye on key subjects near the seam. Leaving a bit of breathing room avoids warping faces, text, or important details. If something feels off, nudge and resize until the composition feels balanced. Now select the Draw Mask tool and lightly paint over the seam or any blank areas between the two images. The mask tells the AI where it's allowed to synthesize pixels. Zoom in for precision, use a soft brush for smoother transitions, and avoid painting over crucial subjects. Less is more here. A tidy, targeted mask makes the blend more believable. In the prompt bar, type a clear description of what you want the merged area to look like. Mention lighting, textures, and elements that will unify the images. For example, a consistent sky, matching shadows, or a shared background surface. Keep the prompt specific but concise, focusing on the visual cues that will tie both photos together. Finally, click Generate. Leonardo will fill the masked region and harmonize the transition. If the first pass isn't perfect, refine your mask edges or tweak the prompt details, then generate again until the seam disappears naturally. That's all there is to it. You've merged two photos into one cohesive image with Leonardo AI.